Okay guys, this is how I make my 1k dollars in less than 2 minutes. Okay, as you can see, we are actually in 1k plus 1k plus $500. So I will be closing this market because we don't have time to actually waste. Okay, as you can see, I took this market from around this place because I saw this indicator in 1 hour time frame about to sell already. I know I missed this market in the morning, but first of all, hit the like button. I will show you more on how I took this trade and on how you're supposed to go in when you see this kind of indicator. Now hit the subscribe button, follow for more, comment in my comment section. Make sure you drop a comment so that I can be able to hear you from there, and most especially subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to most of your friends that actually trade, maybe that blow their account in the process. Now if you are finding it difficult to trade, or maybe you have been trading since January but you end up blowing your account every day, every time you trade, punch into my DM. I'll be managing your account, or just text me on Telegram or on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping my 2 links on my bio. Don't forget to text me, let's manage your small equity account and make massive profit. Now as you can see in this 1 minute time frame, this market already rejected here. This is where I took this market. Then when I took this market here, then I closed here because I was thinking that this market is actually going to buy. Then when I took this market here, I closed from here. I saw that this market is actually going to buy massively. That's why I took it here. But already when I took it here, I was thinking that the market is going to sell because I placed a sell. But at this point, the market reversed. At 1 minute time frame. The market reversed and start going up. So I have to close the market and take buy immediately. Now let's check it in 1 minute time frame. As you can see, this market is actually moving rapidly. As you can see, this market is giving me this indicator that this market is going to sell to this certain point. I think this market will sell to here, then we'll think about breakout. If this market sells to this certain point, then breakout, you see that on the contrary, this market is going to buy to this particular extremely high. Okay, but if this market buy to this point and got a reversal to this particular point, you see that this market is going to sell to this point again. So if you are in this market right now, just know exactly where you are entering this market. I always tell people, don't rush into trade. Analyze your trade first, especially those of you that have small equity. Then please trade with a bigger lot size. Is not good. I will advise you always trade where you know that you know exactly what you are trading, and avoid big equity. You cannot make all the money in forex trading. You cannot make all the money once in forex trading. So you 100% need to abide the rules and the regulation. You just need to make the list that you see, then you leave the rest for others to make, because this market is actually being manipulated. Can end up blowing your small equity account after growing from $10 to $100. When you still continue trading without any limit or without any abiding your trading, you see yourself, you end up blowing that $10 to $100 that you've grown. So if you're a trader out there and you are looking for how to manage your account, just punch into my DM. We'll be making profits massively every day. I'll be trading your account every day for you to share profits. That's all. Just text me. I'll be explaining more on how this account management is, in case today is your first time you are actually hearing it. So I'll be explaining more. Just text me, punch into my DM. I'll be explaining more further on this account management. As you can see, this market is actually still going up. Like I've said, like I've predicted, a little bit spike up. This market is actually still going massively up. A little bit spike up, you can see. Now, for those of you that keep on asking me if this account is a real account, as you can see, this account have a withdrawing button, and you see that this account is not fake at all. Because most of you will be asking me, are you sure this account is real? Are you sure this account is real? Blah 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 blah. I'll keep on telling you, this account don't be used or mistaken, because I trade real account. As you can see, my equity, I showed you my equity before. See how much equity we have there. That's the reason why we entered into this trade with this much lot size, and we are actually trading volatility 75. This lot size is actually the biggest lot size you need to trade in the volatility 75. So if you are entering volatility 75, this is the biggest lot size, in case that's not really what you wanted. Or if you place with this lot size, just know that your account will be going massively lost or massively profits. So make sure you trade with caution and make sure you trade with care. Don't rush into trade if you know you are actually missing a lot in the trade. Don't be like, let me just guess. No, this forex trading is not a gamble. This forex trading is not a gamble. It's not a place that you just place your trade and you actually gain profit, or with luck you will start making massive profit. No sir, no ma. This is actually a place that you need to know exactly what you are placing before you start making profit. Already, I'll be leaving you guys in this video. Please follow, comment and share this video for more catch-ups. I'll be posting my next video on how to manage your account, on how to make a withdrawal and all that. So if you're actually new, if you are seeing my account, if you are seeing this video for the first time, please go back to my videos and watch all my videos, like and comment and share this particular video to many people, so that we can actually get to many viewers. Okay, thank you so much. We really appreciate. Have a nice day and have a good trade. Thank you.